So we're going to do a rotation, and we're going to rotate triangle ABC. And we're going to rotate it around a point. So we're going to, let me just write those instructions down actually. So we're going to rotate triangle ABC, let's say 90 degrees, right? Counterclockwise. Okay, so counterclockwise is that way. About point, let's keep it simple, about point A. So this point right here is going to be our center of rotation, not 0, 0, here. Okay, so let's go about this business of rotating it around. So first of all, let's use some tracing paper. And second of all, I like to draw a set of axes on the tracing paper that I'm going to use, because that makes the rotation part of the whole exercise so much easier. Okay, so I just join these dashes. You'll see that it's moved already. Okay, so there we go. There's one. Join these guys up. Once I've finished, I have a set of axes. And, okay, now, in order to do my rotation, this part here, which would be 0, 0, so this part here, the crosshairs of my axis, needs to be right on the center of rotation, and in this case it's going to be point A. So it needs to be here, not here, not at 0, 0 of the original axis, here at point A. And now I just line up my axis and my axes on the grid paper underneath, right? So it runs along the grid lines. Okay, so now I can write down where all the points are. So this is going to be where point A is. Point B is here, and C is way down here. Okay, cool. I'm going to rotate everything 90 degrees this way. So for all intents and purposes, when this y-axis gets over to here, this line, when it aligns with this line, which is the x-axis line on the grid paper, I know I've gone 90 degrees because that is a 90-degree angle. So I just turn, 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 turn. Great. Line everything up again. Line my axes up on the grid paper lines like this, as exact as I can. Okay, and now I'm nearly there. So I can just lift this up and mark where each point is, like here, B. This would be B dash, right? But you can see here where A is and where C is. But I like to just record coordinates. Now it won't be A, B, C. It'll be the image of A, B, C. So A dash, B dash, C dash. And now I can refer back to the original, the pink axes, okay, to give my coordinates. So B dash, or let's do A first. A is 1, 1. So I can 1, 1. B dash is 1, 2, 1. So minus 2, 1. And C, way over here, is on the original axis is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 5. So I can just take these away. So A dash is going to be here. So that, because this was the center of rotation, it doesn't move. So 1, 1, that works. B dash is going to be minus 2, 1. So we did that by lifting the paper, remember? And we used the coordinates, great little way to check. And C dash is 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C dash will be up here. Okay, so I've plotted all the points, the images of each point of the original triangle, ABC. And all I have to do now is draw the image of triangle ABC to make triangle A dash, B dash, C dash, like this. Okay, and label everything correctly. So C dash is there, A dash is here, and B dash is here. And I've done my rotation around point A. The whole shape has rotated 90 degrees. Finished.